Introduction to collisions. Collisions, which is interaction of only two particles, is a major tool of a physicist to learn about the microworld. The basic idea is that you have a projectile, usually some elementary particle, and there is a target. Could be atom or nuclei. The closest distance to which the projectile would approach the target without interaction is known as impact parameter. Due to interaction, the projectile gets bent, and the angle by which it gets bent is known as scatter angle. From collisions, we gain information about the target and the interaction force. Because we are learning about the microworld, impact parameter itself is too small to measure directly. Instead, we use statistical language. Things that we can measure are cross-section and differential cross-section. Cross-section is really a probability with the units of area. And differential cross-section is dependence of cross-section on the angle. Both of these quantities are easy to measure. Some other jargon words that you'll encounter for collisions. First, elastic versus inelastic collisions. In other words, does it change the overall kinetic energy or not? If it doesn't, then we deal with elastic collisions. People talk of fixed target versus collider configuration. In collider, the target and projectiles, they are moving towards each other. And in fixed target, the target is fixed. And kinematics versus dynamics of collision. Kinematics looks at the problem regardless of the interaction force details. In other words, you use momentum conservation and energy conservation. In dynamics of collisions, you include specific interaction details. Which will lead to the expression of cross-section.